how to add reviews to Squarespace. So here from the dashboard, I'll just click on website, which is going to load up my Squarespace website. Now from the left hand side, we want to choose the option for settings. And then right here, we have to choose the third option, which is selling. Once we have clicked on selling, then if we scroll down at the very bottom, you should be able to see this product reviews, manage your product reviews. So if I select it right here, then we can request reviews from our customers by checking this box here. Now they will get an automated email 14 days after their order is marked as fulfilled, so they can review it. Now what else can we do here? We can import reviews as well. So if I click on this button right here, then I can import reviews directly from Etsy. So if I click on import here, then it will ask us to log in into Etsy and import the reviews automatically. So if I click on login and import, it will refer me back to Etsy and I can log in with my account here. And basically that's how you import reviews into Squarespace. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.